Welcome to the instructions video for the Reorder Point Demand Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you determine the optimal inventory level at which to place new orders, ensuring you never run out of stock while keeping carrying costs under control. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter three key values. First, input your average daily demand, which is how many units you typically sell or use per day. Let's enter 50 units as an example. Next, enter your lead time in days, which is how long it takes from placing an order to receiving it. We'll use 7 days for this example. Finally, enter your desired safety stock level, which is the buffer inventory you want to maintain. Let's enter 100 units. Once you click Calculate, the result shows your reorder point. In our example, you should reorder when inventory reaches 450 units, giving you enough stock to cover the lead time plus your safety buffer. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.